The Graco SnugRide SnugLock infant car seat base has a hassle-free installation. In this video, learn how to install the base using a latch or vehicle seatbelt. Before you start, make sure you have your car seat and vehicle manuals on hand. Also, make sure your car is parked on level ground. Let's install with a vehicle seatbelt. First, push the base against the vehicle seat back in the rear seat, then lift the SnugLock arm. Check the indicator to see it's level to the ground and correctly positioned for your child's age. If it isn't, recline the base to adjust it. Route the vehicle seatbelt through the guides marked with blue labels. Then buckle the vehicle seatbelt. Route both the lap and shoulder belts together. Next, remove any slack in the vehicle seatbelt. Then, lock the SnugLock arms over the lap and shoulder belts. Click. That click sound you hear is the sound of a secure install. Make sure to listen for it. To double-check installation is tight, grab sides of the base at the belt path. Then push and pull the base from side to side and front to back. If the base moves less than an inch or less than 2.5 centimeters, that means it's tight enough. If it isn't tight enough, then start from the beginning by repeating steps 1, 2, and 3. Finally, be sure to recheck the indicator with your child in the seat. For additional info on fitting your seat to your child, see your owner's manual. Next, we'll install using the base's in-right latch system. Push the base against the vehicle seat back and rear seat, then lift the arm. Check the indicator to see it's level to the ground and positioned for your child's age. If it isn't, recline the base to adjust it. For additional options, refer to your manual. Route the latch belt through belt routing guides marked with blue labels. Be sure latch belt is not twisted. Connect the latch connectors to your vehicle's lower anchors. Next, remove any slack in the latch belt. Lock the SnugLock arm over the latch belt. Click. That click sound you hear is the sound of a secure install. Make sure to listen for it. To double-check that installation is correct, grab the sides of base at the belt path. Then push and pull the base from side to side and front to back. If the base only moves less than an inch or less than 2.5 centimeters, that means it's tight enough. If it isn't tight enough yet, then start from the beginning by repeating steps 1, 2, and 3. Finally, be sure to recheck the indicator with your child in the seat. For more info on fitting your seat to your child, see your manual. The Graco SnugRide with SnugLock safety, comfort, and easy installation.
To install the KeyFit carrier base using your vehicle's lap and shoulder belts, start by stowing the latch connectors and straps in their storage pockets. Pull the latch strap to make sure they are securely stored. Then roll the strap and place it in the storage pocket. Position the base in a forward-facing vehicle seat with reclined foot against the seat back. Adjust the base angle by pushing both recline buttons and adjusting the recline foot until the bubble is between the arrows. Route the vehicle belt through the openings in the base. And buckle the belt. Do not put the shoulder belt in locked mode. Press firmly on the base and tighten the vehicle belt until secure. Keep tension on the belt and slide it under the shoulder belt lock-off on the side opposite the buckle. Check that the vehicle belt is tight on both sides of the base. You can now optionally put the shoulder belt in locked mode. Hold the child restraint at each side near the vehicle belt paths. Pull side to side and forward. The vehicle belt should remain tight and child restraint should not move more than 1 inch from vehicle seat back or side to side. Make sure that the base is stable. Make sure that the bubble is between the 2 arrows. And make sure no belt or buckle will interfere with the attachment of the carrier to the base. When installing the carrier, always lift on the handle to make sure it is properly attached. And recheck the base level when placing the KeyFit carrier in base. To remove the base, unbuckle the vehicle belt and remove the base.
Base installation with latch. Prior to installing, refer to your vehicle owner's manual to determine which rear seating position in your car can support a latch installation. Locate the latch anchor points. Place the base rear facing on the vehicle seat. Adjust the foot until there's no red visible on the level indicator wheel, which is found on the side of the base. Engage the orange button on top of the base and remove the latch buckle from its storage pocket. Attach the latch to the vehicle anchor. Repeat on the other side. Make sure the latch webbing is not twisted. Apply pressure to the top of the base while pushing into the crease of the seat. If necessary, rock the base back and forth while pushing into the seat crease in order to turn the tension indicator fully green. To ensure the base is properly installed, grab the base at the belt path and attempt to move it from side to side. If the base moves more than 1 inch, apply additional pressure to the top of the base to further tighten.